What's up, crypto junkies? It's Jay. Let's dive into today's video. It is September 22nd. Let's go through the coin count today, and then I'm going to merge the news segment with this session as well to get two things knocked out here. Be on the lookout later today. We got a BitConnect strategy video launching. It's a 20-minute video of me just dissecting and breaking down an actual profitable strategy with BitPetite. I've got another video launching later on today on USI Tech, major updates, good updates. They're starting to become a dominant force. So I'm going to tell you now, be on the lookout for USI Tech because I think they're going to start coming out big. But let's talk Bitcoin here. Here we go again. We're on the way back down, and again, I'm scheduled out below 3,000 for sure. Scheduled out to about 2,800, but I still feel there's a reset, and the data is telling me there's a reset that could touch down as low as 1,800. So schedule accordingly with your game plan on your Bitcoin to US dollar. But yeah, we're going to be coming down. We bought ourselves another day. Yesterday, you saw it hover up still pretty nice in the 38 to 4,000 range. And we're going to keep coming down today. So be on the lookout for that to keep coming on a downward trend over the next 3 to 4 days. Let's see what else we got. We got $70 in the wallet here in BitConnect. We got a few more referrals come through. I think we got a total of like maybe 20 because we got 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Yeah, so we got about 19 now total on the team. So shout out to everybody who's on the team thus far. We're going to let that lending wallet build up today. Let's see what we got today. Today's junk. But look at that. We're already back to a 1.74 tomorrow. So how we normally see it is we come down to a 0.20, 0.30, and then we dip down to almost nothing the day after, and then we come back up with a 1.76, a 1.8, a 1.9. But now if you look at this new trend we're seeing, we got a 1.76, a 1.39, a 0.30, and we're already jumping back to a 1.7. And that's simply because, again, the market's been so volatile that when you have a bot that is going out and trading on the volatility of a cryptocurrency, the more volatile it is, the more money you make because it's riding the trend up and down. I think people, again, they really have no strategy when it comes to investing. And it's like they only look at, oh, if it goes up, I make money. But when you buy more positions going down and you actually make a solid plan, then your threshold for profitability is much lower. So naturally, you're going to make more money the more positions you buy in at. But that all has to come a step before that, which is making a plan and coming up with how much money you want to allocate to this and being able to have enough funds to ride this thing all the way down if you need to. Make sense? All right, so then let's come over here and check out BitPetite. Again, I'm so excited for the video to drop, so be on the lookout for that. It goes through the whole strategy and what I want to do with this, so definitely check that out. But let's refresh really quick. Had a couple more referrals come through. So thank you again. We've got 2 active referrals. Actually, no, it's not more referrals. It's just more money from the already active referrals. The kind of crappy thing is it's level 3, which I get like nothing off of level 3 referrals. But you know what? I'm happy because more people are getting in and we're all making money. So let's do a quick withdrawal. Look, all 3 are ready to go. Nobody's coming on Litecoin. Otherwise, that would be shown up here. So yeah, it's like $22 in Bitcoin. We got some BTC and some Ethereum. All right, so hit the withdrawal button. That shoots over to an Exodus wallet. That the primary purpose of this wallet is to simply pay back out to the community. And when you place a comment, when you interact with the videos and leave your BTC address, we send you Bitcoin. So this wallet, the whole purpose, which now it's taken over all the referral commission that I get on BitPetite, I'm basically sending right back out to those who are commenting and subscribing to the channel, and then also to people who are coming in as referrals and putting in money into BitPetite. We're sending it right back out. So let's take a little look. Yeah, today. And it's a decent amount. It's a couple $100, I'd say, a week. And yeah, we send that right back out. So here's what that looks like. $68 we got sitting in there. And yeah, so that's a big thank you back to you guys, back to the community, back to those investing in BitPetite. I got you back. I got you back, my friends. Okay, so let's talk some news here. I wanted to highlight 3 pieces in this video. So first off, look at this guy's haircut. I mean, he's got some balls. He's got some serious balls to pull off a haircut like that and be up in a government position, because they don't pull off haircuts like that. Like he would have kept the sides flowing, but he's got like a really weird kind of mullet going on right now. That's what he's got going on. So anyway, this is all off CoinDesk.com. I'll link these articles below the video as well. But yeah, he said basically this: the former CFTC, that's what is it? What is the CFTC? Dang it, I forgot it. Commodity Futures Trading Commissioner said that regulation would solve the Bitcoin volatility. Yes, but that would defeat the whole fucking purpose, wouldn't it? The whole purpose is that it's decentralized. So yes, regulation to a degree is necessary, but you can't attempt to regulate a cryptocurrency that's whole point is to be decentralized, and it's everything is so spread out that you can't really expect to regulate it that much. And of course, regulation would stop a lot of things. But again, that's what we're trying to get away from. The whole point of cryptocurrency and the whole point of Bitcoin was to push away from this stuff, was to push away from this bullshit. So yeah, I just think that that's kind of funny, and I don't even know why you would say that. Like, so everybody's got their own agenda. That's the thing you got to remember, is everybody's got their own agenda. This guy's agenda is obviously closely tied to traditional stock market and futures trading. So of course he's going to want to push anything that's different and anything that's outside of the scope of their rules and regulations. They want to rope those things in and get them under the same umbrella. Gold investor John Hathaway, cryptocurrencies are quote unquote garbage. No shit. He's a gold investor. Like if the cryptocurrency takes off, that whole market, then gold is left in the dust to a degree. And also too, like, let's just look at the basic fact that most of these guys coming out and talking badly about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, they're over the age of 48. The brain starts to really set in its patterns and in its ways, its beliefs, over the age of 40. So 50s, 60s, 70s, why do you think your grandma, your parents won't change? Why do you think that even with the most amount of proof you could possibly conjure up, they will not change? It's because it's the brain. It's not your parents are stupid, your grandparents are stupid, or stubborn or selfish. It's actually that the brain has so much this big built-up library of proof and evidence of this way of doing things that it cannot possibly fathom or change at that point. The ability for the brain to change at that point is so hard. Research it. Google it. This is a proven fact. So yeah, anybody that fears change is going to come out and say, oh, yep, Bitcoin is garbage. And of course, then it creates more hype and drama and propaganda around what they're selling and what they're pitching. Everybody's playing an angle in the crypto game. Just remember that. Especially the old timers, especially the old guard. They've all got an agenda, man. They all do. So yeah, a gold investor talking shit about Bitcoin. I mean, if he was smart, like, look at what I've covered in just the last couple days with the ICO Gold Mint, with Vaultoro. Look at the opportunity that lies there if you would just be open to change. Change creates competition. Competition creates change. They fuel each other. If you look at any point in time when there is huge rivalry, huge competition, it also sparked some of the greatest innovation we've ever seen. And that's what's happening right now. And it's just interesting to stand back and watch the dogs fighting, because yeah, he's saying that, oh, it's garbage. So he argued this: sure, you can make money in bubbles anytime, but you have to get out. Let's not forget that the total market value of these cryptocurrencies is 180 billion or so, maybe a little less now. That's tiny compared to gold. Yeah, you're right. How long has gold been around though? How long has cryptocurrencies been around? So it's again, it's a losing argument. And there's no point to even waste time like arguing that, because instead of arguing, just find a way to win. Just find a way to work within that change that you can't possibly stop. Like, you're literally trying to get in front of a moving train, and cryptocurrency isn't the only thing like this. I mean, everything that's a disruption is like that. Like, look at the resistance that Uber still faces. Every single day, lawsuits. Every single day, countries banning it, then accepting it, then banning it, then accepting it. Like, they're fighting a fight right now with any disruptive technology. And Uber's just the start. You know what I mean? Uber was a big start of it. You know, Facebook faced similar, and then they broke free of the resistance, and now it's pretty much like pretty close to zero resistance with Facebook. But yeah, every disruption will face that resistance. Okay, so the next article I want to talk about is I like this guy a lot, James Altucher. So basically, he's saying searching for problems, ? James Altucher to Bitcoin critics, you're dead wrong. He brings up some valid points. Like, I can't really bring up enough of the talking points in this, but basically the end point is that we're moving away from in God we trust to the data-driven cryptography we trust. So, or cryptography, however you want to pronounce it. So he's basically saying that instead of this airy-fairy thing that's kind of driving us, we've got data now. Data-driven facts, quantifiable data that is allowing us to make smarter decisions, that's allowing us to make smarter markets and transition those markets smartly. And so, yeah, that's what this article is talking about. I'll link it below the video. It's worth a read, though. You see it's a little bit longer. Most of the articles on CoinDesk and Cointelegraph honestly are just sound bites, but this is one that definitely goes in deeper and hits on more of the underarching things we should be talking about with a disruption like cryptocurrency. So that's that, and that's going to wrap this video. I'm going to end it here. What's up, crypto junkies? Be sure to like and place a comment below with your BTC address for a chance to win free Bitcoin. That's right. On a regular basis, we send out Bitcoin to the crypto junkies community. Also, be sure to click on the subscribe button and the bell notification so that you get an email every time we upload a new video on the channel and you don't miss out on any of the fun contests and challenges that we're constantly running. Much love, my friends.